Can't use WhatsApp because you're getting the message. This account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam. Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy fixes to get you back on WhatsApp for Android. Let's get started. Solution 1. Clear cache and reinstall WhatsApp. Sometimes a fresh start can fix things. First, make sure to back up your chats. To do this, it's possible to try to back up your chat file on your Android. Keep in mind, following this process without backup can lose your chat files. After backing up, now open Settings on your Android device. Scroll to Apps. Find WhatsApp. Tap on Storage. Press on Clear Cache and Clear Data. After that, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp from the Google Play Store. Reopen the app and check if you can now use your account. Solution 2. Request a review from WhatsApp. You can ask WhatsApp to review your account if you think this was an error. Open a browser. Type WhatsApp to help center and hit Enter. Tap on the first link. Under Contact WhatsApp Messenger Support menu, tap on Contact Us. Here, enter the phone number first with the proper country code. Tap email address and confirm your email address. After that, select Android. Enter the issue in the text box such as my WhatsApp account is not allowed to use for spam number, which is my mistake on your end. Make sure to include your phone number in the international format. Tap on Next Step. Hit the Send Message button. WhatsApp will reach out to you with a solution within 72 hours through mail. That's it. I hope one of these solutions helped you get back into your WhatsApp account. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.